Super soft and fluffy breadsticks filled with rich salted egg yolk and homemade mayonnaise sauce. Just a wonderful savory snack to curb those midday cravings. So addictive. Let's begin.
Oh yeah! Helen's Recipes.
Ingredients you need: 415 grams of all-purpose flour, 4 grams instant yeast, 3 grams salt, 30 grams sugar, 32 grams milk powder, 1 egg, 100 ml of milk, 145 ml of water, and 25 grams of unsalted butter. Firstly, combine sugar, flour, milk powder, and mix well. Then add the instant yeast and salt. Put them away from each other as the yeast cannot be activated if it touches the salt. Mix well. Next, add milk, water, and eggs. Knead the dough at low speed and then gradually increase to high and knead for about 10 minutes, sometimes using a spatula to scrape down the sides of the mixing bowl. The dough is quite wet, so it might be quite sticky if you knead by hand. Next, add 30 grams of butter and knead until you get a smooth and soft dough. It would still look quite tacky, but that's how it should be. We love our bread really soft, so don't add more flour as it will make it tougher. Cover with plastic wrap and proof for 1 hour until it doubles in size. Separate the yolks of the salted egg and put in a cup of water mixed with a teaspoon of cooking wine to reduce the smell, and then rinse several times. Now arrange the eggs on the tray and brush with sesame oil and bake at 120 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes until completely opaque. Transfer to a bowl and mash well. To make the homemade mayonnaise sauce, you separate 2 yolks. Mix with 1/3 teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon of sugar and a few drops of lemon juice, while constantly beating with a whisk, gradually pouring the vegetable oil just a few drops at a time until you finish about 150 ml of vegetable oil. You can do this on a double boiler to pasteurize the egg. When the dough has risen double in size, divide it into 10 pieces and apply some oil on your hands to prevent sticking, and try not to add more flour because you want the bread to be soft. Spread the dough into 25 by 7 cm thin pieces, about 1 cm thick, and after that, add some mayo and sprinkle with salted egg crumbles, and then fold and pinch to seal. Roll it on the counter to shape into a stick of about 30 cm length, and then proof for another 15 minutes. And spray with some water and bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Finally, brush the breadsticks with some mayo sauce and then top with pop floss. Drizzle more sauce in a zigzag motion. Lastly, sprinkle more salted egg crumbles and you're done! Look how soft and fluffy that is. That rich and savory flavor is really a great combination. So yummy! I hope you give it a try and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. A Vietnamese edition of this video is posted on my Facebook, so don't forget to head over and give it a like to follow. See you then later. Bye!